Do you have a lot of cable management problems? Well, this is a super easy way to solve that. It took me $15 in an hour or two. All right, so we're here in Google. Just literally go to Amazon right here. Boom. Amazon, you're there. Then go up to the search bar and type in cable management. Look right here. 124-piece cord management organizer kit for 12 bucks. That's under 15 bucks. And it's prime too. You can do that one. I think I did this one right here. I think I did this one for 50 bucks. This is great. This is great. So just order this piece right here or this one up here, whichever one you like better. And when it arrives, then you can start the installation process. You're probably gonna want to carve out around an hour to 2 hours of your day. Okay, so here's some before and after photos of my desk with the before cables looking crazy. They're literally everywhere. Here's a front view and a back view. Then you have the after photos of my desk. You can see the cables look a million times better. I have most of the cables running together through different organizers that came in the package, and you can see a front view and a back view as well. I made sure that the wires ran along the frame of my desk to really keep the cables hidden. Some people also buy adhesive, so if they have any power blocks, they can put adhesive on the bottoms of those and stick to the bottom of their desk. Or you can get some zip ties like I did and just tie it around the power block to one of the corners of the frame to keep it hidden also.